How's it going, folks? I guess I couldn't find a video of how to change the Chevy Traverse from a 2010, 2012 models. I'm not too sure which other ones will be similar to this, but this is a way that I had to change these light bulbs from regular OEM light bulbs that it's got on there to the LEDs for it just to be a little brighter. Of course, you gotta take it off, but there's these little latches, clips. Grab your plastic removal kit. You should remove 3 screws. That one right there is missing. One here in the corner. Another one here in this other corner. You're able to remove this. Of course, after unclipping this, there's the new LED bulbs. You may need a putty knife or something else, something a little sharper, or a pick. You can push off the light bulb through that little hole, middle center piece right here. You push it off in order to get it out a little simpler. If you don't want to ruin your little aluminum things, reflectors. Other than that, you just reverse that and put it back in, and you should be good to go. On the mid section of your Chevy Traverse, you gotta get this little clips, that little clip, pull slightly, but not too hard, because you got these little fold down clips right here, safety clips. And then by removing this one, I won't be able to do it, but it's got a little clip right here, which you have to pull outward in order to remove that without busting up your wires. It's the same thing for that rear one in the back as well. All right, good luck. Do this at your own risk. The rear one, all you have to do is get right here at this little clip, pull out the entire housing, and there's the bulb. It's a little easier than any other one. Wish they would have kind of made this to the other ones as well. Bada bing, bada boom. And this will be the after product. All LED lights. Don't mind the mess. I have kids. Good luck.